Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best steamer plate is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen tools you can add to your arsenal, transforming the way you prepare healthy and delicious meals with unparalleled ease and efficiency. Imagine effortlessly steaming vegetables to vibrant perfection, gently cooking fish to flaky tenderness, or even reheating leftovers without drying them out, all while preserving maximum nutrients and flavor. This simple yet ingenious device elevates your cooking game, making it easier than ever to achieve restaurant-quality results right in your own home, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Number 5. Consevisen Stainless Steel Steamer Basket. Discover a healthier way to cook your favorite foods. This steamer basket helps retain over 90% of nutrients lost in other cooking methods. It's perfect for steaming vegetables, seafood, eggs, and more. This versatile steamer expands from 5.1 to 9 inches, fitting most pots, pans, and pressure cookers. It transforms any cookware into a steamer with its unique, expandable design. Featuring heat-resistant silicone feet and a telescoping handle, it ensures safe and stable use. The legs keep food above boiling water, and the handle allows for easy removal without touching hot steam. Crafted from high-quality, non-rust stainless steel, this steamer is built to last. Its corrosion-resistant surface makes it incredibly easy to clean after every use. Beyond steaming, it doubles as a strainer or fruit container. It's an essential kitchen tool for anyone looking to add more healthy meals to their diet. When not in use, it collapses compactly for easy storage. Its foldable design and removable handle make it incredibly convenient for any kitchen. What we like? This steamer basket expands to fit various pot sizes, making it incredibly versatile. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and easy cleaning. If you're looking for a flexible option that can adapt to different cookware and is simple to use, this is a great choice. What people say. The steamer plate is a great addition to my kitchen, allowing me to steam vegetables and fish quickly and easily. I love how compact and lightweight the steamer plate is, making it perfect for small kitchens or for taking on the go. The design of the steamer plate is very user-friendly, with clear instructions and easy-to-clean surfaces. Number 4. Gracenal Upgraded Microwave Splatter Cover with Steamer. Tired of messy microwave cleanups? This durable, BPA-free cover keeps your appliance spotless by preventing food splatters. It even helps heat your food faster, saving you time and energy. Featuring a new, integrated handle for a secure grip and longer lifespan, this cover is designed for convenience. Its dome shape prevents contact with your food, making it a perfect alternative to plastic wrap. Enjoy perfectly heated meals every time. This cover includes a water storage box to maintain food's humidity and taste, while a diversion groove manages steam to prevent messy water stains. More than just a splatter guard, this versatile cover can keep food warm, protect dishes, or store food in the refrigerator. It's a must-have for dorms and a great gift idea for any occasion. Maximize your kitchen space with its convenient hook hole for easy wall storage. This innovative cover is essential for anyone who frequently uses their microwave. Packaged securely to arrive in perfect condition, your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like? This microwave cover features a unique water storage box to help keep your food moist during heating. It's made from durable, BPA-free material and is designed to prevent messy splatters. If you frequently use your microwave and want to ensure your food heats evenly and stays moist, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The steamer plate is a great addition to my kitchen, making it easy to steam vegetables and other foods. I love how versatile the steamer plate is. It fits perfectly in my existing pots and pans, allowing me to steam a variety of dishes. The design of the steamer plate is very practical. It has a good capacity and the handles make it easy to lift out of the pot. Number 3. SUNHOUSE 3.1 QD Stainless Steel Steamer Pot. Meet your new favorite kitchen essential. This versatile pot offers a 3.1 quart, 2-tier design, perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, or seafood. You can even use the base alone for soups and stews. Prioritize your family's health with this premium cookware. Crafted from pure, food-grade stainless steel, it's guaranteed free of toxins like PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring safe and healthy meal preparations. Experience superior cooking performance with its heavy-duty tri-ply encapsulated base. This construction ensures fast, even heat distribution, preventing hot spots for consistent results every time. This steamer is ready for any kitchen. It's fully compatible with induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, thanks to its specially designed magnetic base. Easily monitor your meals through the tight-fitting tempered glass lid. It also traps heat and moisture effectively. Plus, cleanup is a breeze as the entire set is dishwasher safe. What we like? This is a complete steaming system with a 2-tier design, allowing you to steam multiple items at once. It's made from 100% toxin-free stainless steel for healthy cooking and works on all stovetops, including induction. If you need a comprehensive solution for steaming larger quantities or multiple types of food simultaneously, this pot is ideal. What people say. The steamer plate is a great addition to my kitchen, making it easy to steam vegetables and other foods. I love how quickly this steamer plate heats up and cooks food evenly. The design is sleek and modern, and it's very easy to clean after use. Number 2. Buylorco Stainless Steel Folding Vegetable Steamer. Steaming your food is a fantastic way to preserve its nutrients and original flavor. It's an essential tool for anyone prioritizing a healthy diet. This versatile steamer basket is designed to fit pots from 5 to 9 inches, expanding and contracting like a flower. It's both practical and a joy to use. We never compromise on quality. Our steamer is crafted from high-grade, food-safe 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. Every detail is considered for your convenience. Enjoy polished edges that won't scratch your cookware and evenly distributed holes for uniform heating. With no plastic or silicone components, you can cook with confidence, free from the risk of scorching. It's a safe and reliable addition to your kitchen. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer hassle-free returns or exchanges to ensure you have a positive experience with our product. What we like? This steamer insert offers a unique blooming design that expands to fit a wide range of pot sizes. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel with no plastic or silicone parts, it ensures pure, unadulterated flavor. If you prioritize a healthy diet and want a durable, safe steamer that's easy to use and clean, this is an excellent option. What people say. The steamer plate is a great addition to my kitchen, making it easy to steam vegetables and other foods quickly and efficiently. I love how versatile this steamer plate is. It fits perfectly in my existing pots and pans, allowing me to steam a variety of dishes without needing special equipment. The design of the steamer plate is very thoughtful. It has raised handles that stay cool, making it safe and easy to remove from hot pots. Number 1. DS. Distinctive Style 304 Stainless Steel Steamer Rack. Tired of your food touching boiling water? This steamer rack ensures your meals are perfectly cooked by steam, not direct heat. It's an essential tool for healthy cooking. Designed to fit most 8-quart and larger instant pots and pressure cookers. Its versatile design allows you to use it with or without the included legs. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this rack is built to last. Enjoy a durable and safe steaming solution for years to come. The removable legs allow this rack to fold flat, making storage a breeze. Keep your kitchen tidy without sacrificing functionality. Ideal for steaming vegetables and a variety of other foods. It's a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal for healthy and delicious meals. Achieve perfectly steamed dishes every time. This accessory ensures your food is cooked gently and healthily, preserving nutrients and flavor. What we like? This steamer rack is designed to elevate your food above boiling water, ensuring it cooks purely by steam. It features removable legs for easy storage and fits large pots and pressure cookers. If you're using a separate plate or dish for steaming and need a reliable rack to keep your food from touching the water, this is a must-have tool. What people say. The steamer plate is a great addition to my kitchen, making it easy to steam vegetables and other foods. I love how compact and easy to store the steamer plate is. It fits perfectly in my small kitchen. The design of the steamer plate is very user-friendly. It's simple to assemble and use, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.